Good afternoon, everybody. This video is going to walk through basically what we have planned for week 2. Going to get right into it. So basically week 2, Monday, Tuesday, the first thing we're going to go to. So again, before the last thing we had to do them this week was this parametric feature-based CAD. So now we're going to start actually getting into CAD and having them do some practice. So the main goal in the first activity here, topic 4, is for them to create this box. So they're going to create a box, a cup, and an L bracket. It's pretty straightforward as far as the instruction goes. I'm going to do a little sharing here. You can fill in whatever you want just to kind of get the ball rolling. Katie kind of gave a good suggestion. I thought that the kids who come in late almost every single day tend to do it in the first like 5-10 minutes, and that way if we have some kind of sharing and reading, it eliminates that possibility of them missing actual content. So we kind of put that in there. If you don't have any issues or anything like that, you can skip that. Q&A. So we used a Q&A basic discussion question, and that is inside of Onshape as well already. So under week 2, it's called Q&A about parametric feature-based CAD, and I put in there, submit a question about the parametric feature-based CAD. When you are finished, look through the questions others have asked, see if you can find any questions. So the goal here is for them to ask questions and then their peers to answer those questions, and I usually give them like 5 minutes to do that, and they're going through, and I'm going through then after about their time limit is up for them to for me to answer any of those questions. So I keep going. They submit a question, reply to that question if you know the answer to it. Next thing is the actual box demo. Some vocab here: key, extrude, fillet, fillet, hole. Give some definitions. Those are the 3 basic tools that we're going to be using in the box. So your teacher will demonstrate how to construct the box. So in a nutshell, you guys are just going to go through in Onshape and do that. I have created a walkthrough video for your students if you just want to use mine, or create your own, whatever you want. Also, I created a walkthrough sheet that goes step by step and shows what the students, where the students should click, and all that jazz. Quick 5-minute break, and then it's actually their turn to go through. Again, the recorded video will talk and walk through the box construction in Onshape. I provided a step-by-step instructional video, and again, those are all in there. Time to build your own box. I am taking a screenshot just for now, and that screenshot will go right here in screenshot of box. Again, you make sure when you make your own copy and all that jazz that you guys upload your submissions and all that kind of stuff, allow submissions, whatever the case may be. I don't think for this one you need to do that, but make sure you guys are getting into the habit of doing that, I guess. So they just submit their screenshot here, and they're good to go. I go back a little bit here, keep going. Example image to your right, I gave them this. Just make sure that their name and the box itself. Zoom out a little bit, put it in there again, showed them in the tutorial. And that's it for day 1. Day 2, so to speak, or Wednesday, they're working on another one. And just to show you a real quick preview of what these walkthroughs look like, the first one's very detailed, the second one backs off a little bit, and the third one backs off even more. But I've made these so that they literally go step by step. You create a title, you create a new document, you change the workspace units, and went through piece by piece and gave them temporary step-by-step screenshots of what it should look like as they go along. And again, you can walk through this yourself. You can kind of edit whatever you need to. Please make copies, because these are the copies that I'll be using. So beyond that, that's it for the box one. If I go back to week 2 in general, Wednesday they're doing just another one, a different object. So complete the cup activity in Onshape using the walkthrough and video provided. Submit a screenshot of a completed work in the folder. And again, I've submitted or allowed a screenshot of the cup, the video, and another walkthrough for the cup. And this is just a different object. And to make this really easy and short and sweet, the last one is just another object. This one's an L bracket, and again, very, very similar to the cup one. I'll show you guys this real quick, but it just goes through and shows them and walks through. I actually removed the meet and greet, I think. Nope, sharing and greeting here, same thing, just to give that time. Go to the discussion question for now the other box and cup. That way they can ask questions if they need to, and you can kind of, answer any of those or show them anything that they're having trouble with. Some new vocab here. I'll expand this just so you guys can see it a little better. Some new vocab here that basically goes through what they're going to cover within the L bracket. So geometric constraints, dimensions, and circle. Those are 3 things that they're going to be focusing on. You demonstrate it. I didn't put a final image in here, but I will do that. And then a brother break. And again, after you demo it, you're going to show them basically and allow them to do it. All the recordings and again, step by step, are in Onshape already. So if you look back at Thursday, Friday, you'll see Q&A, and then you'll see the bracket walkthrough as well as the video. I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, again, you guys are more than willing to modify, change whatever you want. Just make a copy of it. This is more just like a template of what you can do. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just email me.